Go ahead. I had to stop the video, guys, because my camera, my blurry. It was blurry. Alright, let's be quiet this time. Get ready. That's so loud. But it's not hurting my ears somehow. I'm okay. I'm standing back for this one. I am staying back. Oh, my arm hurts for this one. Somehow it's hurting. I cannot fix the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Let me switch the camera onto this side. Okay. Right. I want on this side.
I'll just put them on the top and that's a whole. Put them up on the top. Yeah, wait for the phone.
Alright, now I'm ready. Oh.
I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. Just put them in a pile. I'll get them tomorrow.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. I was gonna try to put them on that ladder as a big
Whoa.
That was a good one.
That was so loud. Someone's alarm's going off.
Some of them might fit.
Alright.
Yeah, it's
Don't
too.
worry about that.
It's too
Yeah, the wind's gonna tip it or something.
And it might explode. Alright. Here we go. Sorry about that, guys. My arms are hurting. I'm gonna put the camera down after this because my arms are hurting.
Whoa.
Hold up. What? I'm gonna put my camera down, my tablet down. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. I had to put my tablet down because my arm is hurting, so. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Dude, that scared me. Oh my god.
That's crazy. It was a small one like that too. Yeah.
It's like, can you hold my tablet, please?
You want me to record for you?
Yeah, just do not.
For how long, Reese? I don't want to be doing this the whole time.
Alright.
Wait, it's a.
Yeah, you have to leave it.
I know.
I'm ready, Brandon, I'm ready. Oh my god.
I didn't think I was gonna be able to sit on it all the way. Once you get faster enough, you can stay on it.
Okay, I'm staying back. Oh, never mind. Can we do more Piccolo Pete's?
Here.
Why don't you light one of those pumps up, Brandon?
Here. What's that?
Why don't
Can we do more Piccolo Pete's?
Oh, these things, yeah. I've tried to use those. It's kind of a pain in the ass to use.
Bruh.
Yeah, and I have an extra lighter and I have another one in the car too. So, and then plus if I have my cigarette, I can use my cigarette.
See Bradley.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Be careful, Brad.
I wish I could drink like you.
Yeah, well, it's not dark enough yet.
That's why I feel like an alcoholic.
Oh, here goes.
But honestly, I
Um,
I got Brett Reese. You got a sword too. You want to do your sword?
no, I don't want
Let me
to.
record you. Do your sword.
Why?
Because you're gonna do your sword, man. That thing was $18.
You have to press the button. Now what? Here goes.
Reese, I told you to do your sword.
Put that down. Give that to Marissa.
Issa doesn't want
Give
it.
it to Marissa.
Issa doesn't want it.
We're trying to record here.
Go stand out in the street a little bit, Reese.
Step out in the street a little bit, Bradley. There you go. There you go. That's good. Oh. Hold it up. There's one over there next to your dad. No one's using that one.
Move it around, Reese. Move it around. Remember the old sparkler, Shane? Like a welding rod? Yeah, they'd last for, quite a while.
Wow.
Good job, Reese. Okay, here's your phone. I recorded the whole thing. Good job. You'll throw it in the pile, buddy.
I'm gonna burn you.
Don't.
Bradley, I didn't even
Ah.
by the time I got my camera ready, it was done.
Where's my tablet?
I have it. In the pile.
Wait.
Hey,
Why?
listen to mom and dad.
Throw your firework in the pile, please.
I have your tablet.
Is it on?
I wasn't recording, but it's not there.
It's recording. I'm standing back for this one. It's still going. It's just on fire. Bruh.
Can Bradley line down this?
I don't care as long
Go
as
ahead,
you use
Bradley. Just be
Yeah,
careful.
there as long as it's like one of the little small ones or something.
Is he allowed to do it right here?
It's just gonna smoke. It's a smoke wall.
Don't do that yet. Just take it out there and light it where you want.
It's white again. I might put my tablet down on the truck.
You like doing that, B?
I'm trying with these. These are cool, but be careful standing out in the street and putting it down because they spin.
Alright.
What is that, one of those cold trigger lighters, the long one?
Yeah.
Brandon.
Gave me one for her left. She was like, I'm trying to use it.
Hey Brandon. Can we do more Piccolo Pete's?
If you want to, yeah.
I want to. Thanks. Oh, get back! Get back!
Stay back. If it's a dud,
It's going. What does that sound like, Brandon?
Helicopter.
I like asking you that because of the way it sounds. Oh my. Oh, here it goes. Hold on, it's still going.
between her, dad, and me, almost
Wait.
250, whatever you say.
It's 250. You're right. You get it. Yeah, try to use the smaller one.
see.
You got your hands.
Let me see.
Do you have your phone and your tablet?
Yeah, I do.
Reese, pick one.
How come?
Same
I'll
thing.
do phone.
Yeah, just do one.
Alright.
You're not able to enjoy the fireworks.
I'm gonna stop the video on my tablet, guys, cause oh, hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video because I can't hold both electronics, so I gotta go. Bye, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There it goes, and that is it.
Yeah, you can light it and then I'll put it on top.
Okay. Now Piccolo Pete's, Brandon.
Wait.
I think
Bradley gets the
Brad's gonna light this one real quick.
Oh my. It might shoot in the sky. Who knows? Oh my god. Oh.
Be careful, Bradley. Thank you, Brandon. There we go. Good job, Bradley.
Here it goes. Almost every single one is fast. Oh, here we go. Piccolo Pete. Oh my gosh. I have to say oh my gosh because I'm ready. That's why. Because why not? Wait, never mind. That's not Piccolo Pete. Alright, here it goes. Yeah. Bruh. Hey mom, do you like that whistling noise?
From this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's okay. It's not too bad. You know,
You're supposed to not like it, mom, because it hurts your ears.
yeah, that one didn't hurt my ears.
Piccolo Pete's next.
That's what Bradley said. He was doing it for you.
Here, this one.
That whistle though, it sounds like a bird. Alright. Get ready. Yeah. Here guys, I'm gonna stop the video real quick because I accidentally tapped something, so I'll be right back.